magandang buhay, live and alive. I'm here in Lots for Less, Mintal Supermarket and General Merchandise Warehouse here in Mintal, Davao City. I went here because according to my friend Daidna, the vegetables are really so affordable here, and contrary to the wrong notion that since it is correlated with Chinese, it might be with injection. No. The son of my friend in Daidna testified that the Lots for Less, they're having their farm. Yeah, their own farm. So the vegetables, whatever is being sold, is really guaranteed as healthy, okay, and affordable in a lower price compared with other vendors. So I went there to check, but according to the INA again, Hidalgo, the schedule of vegetables here is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And you should go here early in the morning, in as much as many people will really go here, jump back because of the low price of merchandise. Not only vegetables, but all others items in the supermarket and general merchandise. So this is my day in Davao City, featuring you my first touchdown, Lots for Less. So as the name suggests, it's really true and correct, but I would like personally to experience if it is really lots, then less amount. Yeah, in a less amount compared to others. As you can see, there are also put items below. This is it. Santino's, Potato Corner, and all others that food items. So I'm here in Mintal, Davao. It's a rainy afternoon. It's already showering with rain right now, but it's okay. I can do it in as much as I've just taken a bath. It is just located near or front of Mintal Gymnasium. So that's the Mintal Gymnasium, and in front of this gymnasium is the Lots for Less. So sharing you also the traffic going on or the condition of the street here in Mintal. Right here in front of Mintal Gymnasium and Lots for Less. So let's get inside. I will really check if it's really true that their items are really lots, meaning mini for less amount. So this is my picture of Lots for Less in my day in Davao City. I will check it. I do not know if allowed the vlogging inside. I will have to ask the guard. Yes. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Mabuting tao, magandang buhay. So let's get inside to check if it is really so mini and lots for less. Sir, bawal mag-vlog, bawal inside. Okay. I would just like to picture. Okay lang, sir. So I'm very proud vlogger. Thank you, sir guard. So let's get inside. Lots for Less, sir. Yeah, shout out. So this is now the condition. I asked permission to the guards. Sir, name sir?
Sir Ivan Igon.
Yeah, please subscribe Mabuhay channel tonight. Ma'am, thank you, ma'am. I will. It's my first time I'm vlogging Mabuhay channel. Okay lang, ma'am. So, thank you. Sir, pwede ba mag-vlog? Sige, sa gawas lang. Sige, bawal daw. So, let's get inside. Outside rather. Bawal daw mag-vlog. So, at least, the guard are accommodating. So, for now, This is my day in Davao City, featuring Lots for Less, which is really with affordable price and accommodating Sir Gar. And thank you for accommodating me, but I was not allowed by the manager to vlog. So this is now my shared moment. I am your vlogger, retired teacher being Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, your teacher mabuhay, the Darna, Ma'am Darna and the Celtic Queen.